This is the 6th video in the Bryan Advisor Briefing, How to Use Starfish. Starfish is a program used to schedule appointments with your assigned advisor. To access this program, you will need to log into Canvas or simply go to starfish.uncg.edu to log in. If you are accessing Starfish through Canvas, first you will select Account from the dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. Using the navigation menu, select the Starfish link. From the Starfish homepage, you will see a box titled My Success Network. Your Success Network lists faculty, staff, and office resources that support your success here at UNCG. This is where you will find brief information about your assigned major advisor and any instructors you may have. Beside your advisor's name, you will see 3 dots. Select those dots and this will take you to the appointment scheduling page. Here, you will find a list of reasons to schedule an appointment with your advisor. You will need to select a reason from that list and hit Continue. Listed on the next page, you will find a list of available appointment times. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a month view of the calendar, and on the right-hand side, you will see a list of appointment times by day and time. Here is where you can select an appointment time and hit Continue. This will take you to the next page. On this next page, you can choose to select an appointment location. Most of the time, you will be able to select either a phone or in-person appointment in Bryan 137. If you are selecting a phone appointment, please make sure to list a phone number so that your advisor can call you at your appointment time. When you are ready, select Confirm at the bottom of the page to confirm your appointment time. Here, you will find confirmation of your appointment. In addition to this, an email will be sent to your iSpartan email account confirming the date, time, and location of your appointment. There will also be an option to add this calendar to your iSpartan Google Calendar as well if you wish. If you would like to cancel your appointment for any reason, you can do so starting from the Starfish homepage. From the drop-down menu, please select the tab that says Upcoming. Here, you will see your current scheduled appointment. To cancel, select the 3 dots in the right-hand bottom corner of the page. Cancel Appointment will appear. Go ahead and select this, and you will be taken to the next page where you can choose to list a reason to cancel your appointment. Select Cancel, and your appointment has been canceled. You will be taken to a confirmation page to let you know that your appointment has been canceled. When the day comes for your appointment, please be prepared. If you have scheduled an in-person appointment, arrive at least 5 minutes prior to your designated time. If you find that you need to reschedule, you may do so using the same Starfish scheduling system in the steps you've just seen. If you have scheduled a phone appointment, please make sure you are available and in front of a computer with internet access at your appointment time. Whether your appointment is by phone, in person, or by Google Hangout, students who are more than 5 minutes late or do not answer their phones will be asked to reschedule. This is the final tutorial video and concludes the Bryan Advisor Briefing. If you have reviewed each of the mandatory videos, you are ready to proceed to the required quiz. Upon successful completion of the quiz, you will be notified of and can schedule an appointment with your assigned advisor. Thank you, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.